Emakhosini, ngiyanamukela ku channel yami. So there's a video I made Yamakhosi and uploaded it like an hour ago. So please watch it. Please watch it because now I'm gonna answer a comment of someone who made a comment and was like, Gogo. So I was like, let me make a video and answer you, right? Emakhosini, ngiyanamukela ku channel wami nesahleli nesalukasini intombi endala ugogo Patricia. Please make sure that you like my videos, you share them, you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Your support really means a lot. Give me personally, right? So wenze i-comment wathi gogo njengoba ukhuluma ngamaBhubesi, what happens if Ukuphupha Ibubesi lilimele mhlambe usentabeni alimele lamaBhubesi uthi uyawanceda bese wena uzibona sosesibhedlela enabasekho lamaBhubesi? That's a message. Bayakubonisa ukuthi ubukhosi basekhaya was tampered with. Ubukhosi basekhaya balinyazwa. Ingakho wena njengomuntu onamakhosi uyazwela. Remember kunalento ukuthi mawungena idlozi ibeligula maliphakama kuwena uphathwa yileyo ngulo. Mawunedlozi belithanda ukukhala maliphakama uyakhala. Mawunedlo yabo. So when ubonakala usesibhedlela ngenxa yokuthi you trying also to assist lamakhosi noma to fix whatever that happened, uzolimala. Whatever that attacked ubukhosi bala ekhaya will attack you. And ukhumbula ukuthi we inherit beef njengabantwana bedlozi. Mangabe ungena idlozi belinezitha, automatically izitha zedlozi lakho kuba izitha zakho. Mangale wena uvukelwa izitha, so wena uzovukelwa izitha ongazazi noma uzovukelwa izimpi ongazazi, ingakho ulimala. So that has to be fixed. That has to be fixed ukuthi ubukhosi bakho bulapheke noma ubukhosi basekhaya bulapheke, ngoba angeke ukwazi ukuthi kuphakame if bayakubonisa ukuthi ayikhona ukugangiwe la, khona ukamoshakala la. No, mhlambe bayabuthakathana bayenzani ubukhosi bamosheka, mhlambe babulalana bayenzani ubukhosi balimala. Wena what you have to do now yentabeni yokhuluma namakhosi asekhaya, babikele babuza ukuthi kahle kahle kwayenzakala, and they will tell you. Mina there were cases where I was lost ukuthi what's going on, and when I ngijula ngayo they answered me. I knew ukuthi okay lo wabulala lo ingakho yabo. So into izolungiswa wena, kodwa mawungaya ngokuhlakanipha kwakho ngoba ngokwazi kwakho uzolimala. Ingakho fanele ucele amandla ebantwini abadala ukuthi mamelani, umsebenzi akuso wami, umsebenzi wenu. So ngibathise namandla nengibambeni ngesandla ukuthi le ndlela ngihambe ngale ndlela ekufanele ngihambe ngayo. You understand? But leli phupho eline message ejule ngendlela eyisimanga, jule ngendlela eyisimanga, and it will require you ukuthi ngoba baziveze kwena, you must fix konke lokho kwamosheke ebukhosini basekhaya. Mhlawumbe umuntu bekaphatha izikhwama zamakhosi wathakatha wabulala wamosha, noma bamgadla kwayena walimala balinyazwa bavala ubukhosi bala ekhaya. So that's a very good message. But anyway, hope it makes sense. Emakhosini lesedi khanya camako ndawuwe.